Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 guided project 3-3. I have done this assignment many times for many students. I will do this assignment step by step and you will get done your assignment by watching my complete video. If you are busy or if you are not able to do your assignments, then you can easily contact me and I am available for your help. I will provide you a plus grade in your all projects. I can do Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Access. So if you are busy, then you can easily contact me and I will provide you a plus grade. Now start the assignment step by step. So this assignment has 16 steps. I will do this assignment step by step and you will get done your assignment by watching my complete video. Now start the assignment from step number 1. Step to complete this project. Step number 1 is open View Link 3 start file if workbook open in protected view. Click enable button so you can modify it. The file will rename automatically to include your name. Change the project file if directed to do so by your instructor. So you can see that I have already saved my Excel file from Simnet. This is revenue by department sheet and this is first period sheet. Okay. Now step 2 is create a pie chart object. Part A is select the revenue by department sheet, select A4 to F4, press Ctrl and select A13 to F13. So first copy this range A4 to F4 and select this range in Excel sheet in revenue by department sheet. So this is revenue by department sheet. Select A4 to F4. Okay, and press Ctrl and select A13 to F13. So first copy A13 to F13 and paste and press Ctrl and press enter. Okay, these two ranges are selected, A4 to F4 and A13 to F13, A4 to F4 and A13 to F13. Okay, now part B is click the insert pie or download chart button, insert tab chart group and choose 3D pie. So go to the Excel worksheet and click the insert tab and you will see chart group and click the insert pie or donut charts. Click on this one and you will see 3D pie chart. Click on this one. Okay, 3D pie chart is created. Now I'm going to do question number 3. Question number 3 is apply a chart style. Part A is select the necessary chart object if necessary. Part B is click more button chart design tab chart style group. So go to Excel worksheet and click more button. This is more button. Okay. Part C is select style 3. This is cell style 3, cell style 4, cell style 2. So this is cell style 3. Click on this one. Okay. Our question number 3 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 4. Question number 4 is size and position a chart object. Part A is point the chart object border to display the move pointer. Part B is drag the chart object so its top left corner is at cell H4. So drag the chart at its top right. Part C is point the bottom right selection handle to display resize arrow, and part D is drag the pointer to reach at cell Q19. So move the chart from H4 to Q19. Okay, H4 to Q19. Question number 4 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 5. Question number 5 is explode a pie slice, and part A is double click the pie to open its format data series task pane. Part B is click San Diego slice to update the pane to format data point task pane. Reset the pointer on slice to see identifying screen tip or refer to the legend. So click on chart, double click on chart, and series option are opened. You can see that, and click on San Diego. This is San Diego, and click on this. Okay, San Diego is selected. Okay, and now I'm going to do part C. Part C is click series option button in format data point task pane. So click series button option. So these are series option. Okay, and part D is set the pi explosion percent at 10%. So this is point explosion, and this is angle of first slice is 0 degree. So point explosion will be 10%. Okay, now I'm going to do part E. Part E is close the task pane and click the chart object border to deselect San Diego slice. Click the task pane, close the task pane, and click the top of the chart to deselect San Diego slice. Okay, question number 5 is complete. Now I'm going to do question number 6. Question number 6 is display and format data labels. Click the chart element quick button, click the data label arrow to open its submenu and choose more options. So click on chart and you will see chart element. Click on this one and click on data labels, and click on more options. Okay, format data labels and text options. So this is format data labels, and this is label option box. Now verify that label option box is selected. Label option box is selected. Okay, click label option box to expand the group if it collapses. So this group is already expand. Now part D is select the category name box. So this is category name box. Click on this one. Okay, now part E is confirm that the percentage and show leader line boxes are selected. So this is percentage and show leader lines are already selected, so I have verified this, and now I am going to do part F. Click separator drop down list and choose space. So this is separator. Click on this one and click on space. Okay, now I'm going to do part G. Part G is Click fill in line button, expand the fill group and select no fill. This removes the black background box for each label. So click fill in line. This is fill in line. This is effects, size and properties, label options. So click on this one. Okay. Part H is close the task pane. Now close the task pane. This is task pane and click close. Close the task pane. Okay. Our question number 6 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 7. Question number 7 is delete the legend and recolor and position data labels. The part A is select the legends. Part B is confirms your selection in chart element drop down list format tab current selection group. And part C is press delete to remove the legends. So just go to Excel worksheet and I will select legend. These are legends. To delete legends. Okay. Part D is click chart element drop down list format tab current selection group and select series gov data labels. All of the city names and percentage are selected. And part E is click the text fill button, format tab word or style group and choose black text 1. So click on this one and you can see that these all are selected. Now go to the format tab and go to the text and fill in word art style group. Click on this one and click on black text 1. Okay. Part E is complete. Now I am going to do part F. So part F is click as many times as need to select only the San Diego data labels. So part G is point to display a move pointer and drag the label as shown in figure. So drag the labels as shown in figures. These labels are separated. San Diego 41%, ST Louis 99%. So you can see that. Okay. Now click on this one and click on chart element and click on data labels and you will click on outside end. Okay. Part H is select each data label and position it as shown in figure. If you accidentally move another element, press Ctrl Z to undo the error. And part I is click of worksheet cell. So click on worksheet cell. Okay. Our question number 7 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 8. Question number 8 is create a clustered bar chart object to simulate a funnel chart. And part A is select cell A22 to B26. So first copy this range A22 to B26. Okay. Part B is click quick analysis button and choose charts. This is quick analysis button, so click on this one and click chart. And part C is click clustered bar in the list. So click on quick analysis button, click on chart and click on clustered bar. Okay, this chart is created. Now question number 8 is complete. I am going to do question number 9. Question number 9 is size and position a clustered bar chart object. Point the chart object border to display the move pointer. Part B is drag the bar chart object so its left corner is at cell C21. So go to Excel worksheet and its top corner is at cell C21. Okay. Part D is drag the pointer to reach cell L40. So C21 to L40. Okay, you can see that now chart is at cell C21 to L40. and our question number 9 is complete. Now I am going to do question number 10. Question number 10 is apply a chart style. Now I will apply chart style. Part A is confirm that the part chart object is selected, and part B is click more button. Click more button. This is more button. Click this one, and part C is select cell style 3, and this is cell style 1, cell style 2, cell style 3. So click on this one. Okay, our 60% assignment is complete. If you need complete solution of this assignment, or if you want me to do this assignment, then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in description.